Hi, I'm Dr. Karyne Wilner, a psychologist and a core energetics teacher and practitioner. And I want to share a new program sponsored by the Institute of Core Energetics. And it's for graduates, people who've graduated from the 2-year, the 4-year, or even the post-grad program. And it's really special and unique. It's about teaching. So that might sound boring, teaching. Who wants to be a teacher? But it's really emphasizes your creativity and your leadership and your ability to present this material, the material you love and believe in, to others on the planet so that you can connect with each person in terms of their learning style and speak to them in ways that they will understand the concepts, theory, and actually physical techniques that you're trying to present. So this program, it's really quite special, is for those of you who can see yourself doing podcasts, designing and presenting workshops, going to conferences and speaking about your favorite topic, um, holding panel discussions, seminars. There are so many ways that you can present yourself, build your own reputation and your practice, but also have fun, because it really is fun to present this material to others. So come to our website and find out about this new wonderful program for bringing core energetics to others through teaching. Thanks and have a good day.